In this week's Montana Made, we focus on a farmstead creamery creating artisan cheese with character in the Bitterroot Valley. As MTN's Ariana Lake explains, the final product is aged and packaged just a few steps away from the milk's source. And on the farm, one family calls home.
Cheese making is beautiful in its science, this perfect match of exact scientific precision. And also for the finishing, it's creative and it's collaborative, and I honestly feel like I'm working with the cheese to get to what we're trying to achieve.
Head cheesemaker Allison Dembeck looks over these sheep milk cheeses aging in a cheese cave on the Tucker family farm, nestled in the Bitterroot Valley.
So this one here is like very garlicky and spicy, has a little bit of like sweetness and buttery.
To fully understand this Montana-made product, you have to start here.
So every morning we bring the sheep in at 7 in the morning. With the sheep, it takes 2 people to do the whole process. We bring 12 in at a time.
Tyler Tucker is one of the owners of the Farmstead Creamery, along with his wife Kendra and father Jerry. That's his son Rowan, sneaking in a little extra food for these hardworking sheep during the morning milking. These family farmers spent the last 5 years crafting artisan cheeses with the milk from their sheep, which is pasteurized and aged in a building right above the parlor.
A cheese day starts at 5 in the morning, and we go and we collect the milk from the parlor and move it up to the creamery. This is the room where we make our cheese.
And then the milk is pasteurized and cooled.
And then we start to make cheese, and we have a make sheet for cheeses that we've made before. If we're experimenting with a cheese, we're trying out new cultures, and just going through a very detailed process. Each cheese kind of has a overriding philosophy about it of what we're trying to achieve. It needs to be moist, it needs to be soft, it needs to be dry, and all that kind of guides us through our cheese day. This gave us lots of great colors right now.
One of their most iconic products is the Harbinger. It's easy to recognize by its colorful rind and nutty, smooth flavor.
This Harbinger cheese has been aging about 3 months, and so what happens is every couple days, depending on how old the cheese is, it'll get a beer wash, and the beer is actually local beer from Draftworks in Missoula.
Tyler says there are a few misconceptions about sheep milk cheese, especially here in Montana, where it's less common than other parts of the U.S.
It's still in the gaining popularity phase in Montana, so a lot of people don't realize that you can milk sheep and make sheep's milk cheese.
This Montana-made product is more than just a delicious addition to your dinner party. Those involved in making it say it's about creating something close to the source in the most healthy and humane way possible.
You're supporting farmers, first of all, which is so important, and the ability to create our own food is also extremely important. So to be able to support that means a lot to us as farmers, and we work hard and we love it and we just want to share it, and it also will support the future of our industry.
Reporting near Victor, Ariana Lake, MTN News.
You can buy cheeses from the farm at the farmers market in Missoula and Hamilton, or you can order it online. Just visit our website for a link and for an extended web story about other products from the farm you can purchase.